Cleaning the kitchen used to be a nightmare until I discovered this trick. My neighbor laughed at me, but now she uses it herself. Take a regular kitchen sponge, peel off the rough side from the soft one, starting from a corner and slowly separating both layers so they don't tear. Now cut the rough part of the sponge into 5 even strips. From the soft part of the sponge, cut out a circle shape. Prepare a rubber glove. Apply hot glue to each finger of the glove. Stick the sponge strips onto them. Then apply hot glue to the center of the palm and place the cutout circle of the soft sponge there. Wait a moment until everything sets well. When the glove is ready, put it on. Squeeze out a little dish soap. Now you can start washing the dishes. Each finger works like a mini brush, and your whole hand turns into a practical scrubber. This glove easily reaches every corner of cups or pots, and thanks to the rough side, you can even remove burnt food remains without effort. It's a simple trick that makes dishwashing so much easier. Try it once, and I guarantee you'll never go back to the old way. Since I started cleaning my sink this way, I haven't spent any money on chemical cleaners. I forgot what stains and lime buildup even are. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. It works as a gentle abrasive and breaks down lime deposits. Then pour in about 2 ounces of any dish soap. This helps break down grease and cuts through grime. Mix everything well. If the mixture is too runny, add more baking soda and mix again until you get a paste. Use a brush to apply the paste all over the sink, reaching every spot where lime and buildup hide. Then scrub everything with a sponge. Don't forget the drain and faucets. They collect a lot of dirt. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then dry with a microfiber cloth. Your sink will shine like new. It looks just like it was professionally cleaned. You absolutely have to try this. You need to do this as soon as you notice mold around your windows. After this trick, your windows won't fog up and the musty smell will disappear. All you need is this simple method. Start by taking a bowl and pouring in 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Then add 1 cup of vinegar. It has disinfecting, antifungal, and anti-mold properties. Next, you'll need regular table salt, which absorbs moisture. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl and mix everything well. Now take a few cloves and grind them, preferably using a coffee grinder. Transfer the ground cloves to a container. Boil some water and pour it over the cloves, letting them steep. Add 1 cup of this clove infusion to the bowl with the other ingredients, and mix well. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray it on window sills and the surrounding walls to prevent mold from returning. This will help absorb excess moisture from the windows, preventing condensation and keeping the seals mold-free. I've been using this trick in my home for years. Just a few drops down the drain are enough. You'll eliminate unpleasant odors for a long time. Ever since my grandma showed me this trick, I've been using it constantly. At first, I couldn't believe how brilliantly it worked. Additionally, it cleans all the impurities invisible to the naked eye that can eventually cause clogs. To prepare this fantastic solution, start by pouring 100 milliliters of dish soap into a container. Dish soap effectively dissolves grease and bacteria. Next, add a tablespoon of salt. Due to its abrasive properties, salt helps clean the drain, reduce bacteria, and eliminate unpleasant odors. The next ingredient in our mixture is vinegar. Pour 100 milliliters of vinegar into the container. It will also help break down grease and combat any bacteria. Mix everything thoroughly to combine. Now we can get to work. Go to the sink and sprinkle baking soda down the drain. Then pour in our mixture. Leave it overnight without using the sink. In the morning, close the drain and fill the sink with hot water. Once there's enough water, pull out the plug so that a strong stream of water flushes our mixture down. You have to try this. Pour dish soap into an ice cube tray and place it in the freezer. It will gain new properties. Most people use dishwashing liquid every day, unaware that a simple action can enhance its effectiveness. Instead of pouring the entire amount into the dispenser, leave some liquid and pour it into a regular ice cube tray. Fill it halfway. The liquid will expand during freezing. Place the prepared tray in the freezer overnight. In the morning, the liquid should be fully frozen. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. In this form, it will have new properties. It will be useful for special tasks, such as a burnt oven or grill grate. Cleaning them can be irritating. With these cubes, you'll do it much faster. Simply take one out and start sliding it over the grate. The liquid will spread, removing stains and burnt grease. Toss such cubes into the sink when an unpleasant odor emanates from it. The problem will disappear instantly. The liquid will slowly thaw and flow through the pipes, cleaning them during everyday sink use. Were you familiar with the trick of freezing dish soap? I always keep a few cubes in the freezer. You can unclog your sink in just a few seconds without spending money on plumbers or expensive chemicals. A kitchen sink often gets blocked by simple things like food particles or built-up grease. Empty the sink and pour half a bottle of dish soap into the drain, then close the drain and fill the sink with hot water. The water should be as hot as possible to break down grease and food particles. Leave the mixture for 10 minutes to boost its effect. After that, drain it completely. This simple but effective routine should be done regularly to keep the sink in good condition. It's also worth remembering to care for your sink daily. A good habit is pouring plenty of hot water down the drain after each wash. Oils and food scraps tend to build up over time, so flushing them with hot water can prevent blockages. By following these steps, you'll avoid sink clogs and keep the kitchen drain running smoothly. You probably didn't know these tricks with a dish sponge. They'll save you a lot of time and frustration. Take a sponge in your favorite color. Using a soldering iron, make a long but narrow hole along the sponge. Do this carefully and precisely. Cut a piece of bar soap. Pick any soap as long as it fits in the hole you made. Place the soap inside the sponge and soak it well under water. With this simple trick, you'll get endless foam without needing to keep reaching for dish soap. Cut the sponge with the soldering iron. Do this vertically and horizontally. Make cuts so that a dense grid forms on the surface. This method makes the sponge extremely effective for cleaning grill grates. But that's not all. It's also great for scrubbing oven trays with grates. A genius way for effective cleaning. Cut the bottom of the sponge. The cuts should be deep but not all the way through. Attach the sponge to kitchen tongs. With this trick, you can easily clean hard-to-reach spots in narrow containers. This solution is also perfect for cleaning balcony railings or blinds. A simple way for thorough cleaning without effort.